Years ago, my neighbor collected the head vases. Now, today, back on trend. So let's do it in a contemporary style. The vase ahead, on trend, filled in with floral netting so that it becomes foam-free. Tucking it down low, and then it's wedged tightly, so no need to tape. Add in water, pre-mixed with flower food. Then the branches, pieris, and camellia. When you think spring, gather the things that are in your area. I know, Pacific Northwest, we are so lucky. The beautiful pieris comes in pink and white. The pink, oh so fabulous. And then just setting it in, letting it drape, almost like it's the hair. And then coming back, adding in the camellia, which is a little more upright, a little heavier. But look at those blooms, so grand. Setting them in and letting them come up towards the top. Enhancing with greenhouse blooms, but still sticking with the season. Ranunculus are perfect. You can just set them in. Their stems are so strong and straight. Adding them, and the bloom looks so similar to camellia. Little bit different, but oh so grand. Tucking it in, and you have spring on the mind. To finish, adding one more springtime favorite, jasmine vine. Just tucking it in and letting it trail outward. Adding a little bit of movement to the design, making sure it's down into the moisture. You want it into the water perfectly so that it holds and is fabulous. The recipe, I started with the blooming branches. Camellia, oh so grand. And on the stem, lasts very long. Used one branch, cut apart, then went to the pieris. Some people call it Andromeda. The pink variety, so beautiful and holds so well. One branch cut apart. Then went to the blooms. The ranunculus, 3 of them, tucked in to create a line. And lastly, accenting with just a bit of the jasmine vine to give it some softness. The reemergence of the head vases is so grand, but so much more contemporary. And what better way to think spring? You'll see more creative inspiration on the website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us there. Now it's your turn. Find the perfect head. Think spring. Take a photo, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.